Hi, I'm Mrs. Rivas, and I'm passionate about incorporating technology into the classroom and to making it very relevant. I've been teaching history for about 25 years now, mostly U.S. history, and it's definitely not the same way as I taught it 25 years ago. I feel like a brand new teacher in many ways. Each year brings exciting new challenges, and I'm excited about making this history come alive for my students. Using some of the tools in the classroom allows students to have a voice, whereas before only maybe about 5 or 6 students would dominate a classroom. Now, by using topics such as Padlet and using some of the other tools, each student is able to have their own voice in the classroom, and that's really important to me. It also offers different perspectives. Using many different sites allows on a hands-on feature for my classes to learn history from a Native American point of view, from a African American point of view, a woman's point of view, a northern point of view, and the documents, the primary source documents from 1700s are just a click away.
I'm Greg Serafian, and I'm passionate about cybersecurity. I've always loved problem solving and also computers, so cybersecurity has really blended the two, and it's allowed me to pursue that passion. I love the competition aspect of it and just being in that environment with my team. It's great to have that social aspect with them and just have that community with my group. Also, we drive each other and we challenge each other, especially during competition, to really work our best.
Hi, I'm Olivia Tamino and I want to be an engineer. In this class, I get to build different things and solve problems. So my teacher will give me a problem and then I get to come up with a solution. And I like this class because I can find different ways to fix things in this world, and I think that's really cool. I also get to work with other people in this class, and we get paired by the type of person we are. So if we like to work in groups, or if we're supportive, or like more realistic or more imaginative. And I think that's cool because we get to work with different people and see who we work best with, or if we like working alone.
Hi, I'm Mr. Traina, and I'm passionate about TV production. I've been teaching TV media for over 13 years, and I just think it's amazing how students have the opportunity to create something out of nothing and present their work to essentially the world. With the technology these days and the availability of websites like YouTube, students can create something in New Jersey and have peers all over the world see their projects. And I think that's just amazing for them. It really gets them to be extremely creative. Having technology available to them that wasn't available 20, 30 years ago, where it would have cost hundreds of thousands of dollars to have a TV studio, it's a lot more cost effective.
Samantha DiLorenzo, and I'm passionate about robotics. Robotics lets me be creative, and I like problem solving, being given a task and trying to figure out a solution and build something to solve that problem. And I also like the competition aspect of it, because we have to compete against other schools with our robots. And I find that really interesting, that it's not, we're just building, we have like a purpose that we're building for.
Hi, I'm Patrick Carney, and I'm passionate about ornithology. For my research now, I'm doing work with the New Jersey State Department Division of Fish and Wildlife. They have a kestrel nest box monitoring program where you set up the boxes, and on a weekly or bi-weekly basis you visit the boxes each day and record nesting data and submit it to their online database. And although I haven't gotten any kestrels in my boxes yet, I've still been able to submit data about other birds, and hopefully, this is the 3rd year I'll be monitoring them. Hopefully kestrels will nest in the boxes this time. For my career, I really want to do something that'll help out the birds, that'll help out the environment, help preserve the nature that we have in New Jersey and everywhere else.
Hi, I'm Marlon Whitney, and I created a fun and interactive program to teach kids how to solve basic algebraic equations. My research is mainly helping students learn how to solve basic algebraic equations using the Microsoft Kinect. What my program does is it sort of creates equations for students to solve. So something like x plus 3 equals 4, something like that. I found a program that I would be able to translate the hand motions of a student into what a mouse can understand. So basically, when the student moves their arm, the mouse will follow it, and through another action, it'll respond as a mouse click. So what I programmed was the actual program that the student interacts with. So basically, using the Microsoft Kinect, I had the student interact with my project and basically have them learn how to solve equations through a more kinesthetic way of learning.
I'm Joanne Pulowski, and I'm passionate about forensic science. The SUPA Forensics program provides students with authenticity in the program. So it's one thing to learn the academics of chemistry or biology or any other discipline, but quite another to take that which they've learned and some more that they're going to learn and apply it to an authentic situation like a crime scene or a civil case or even a historical case. I set up a mock crime scene in the courtyard so that students would have the opportunity to take what they've read in the textbook about how a crime scene is managed and apply that to the scene itself. They then had to report how that scene specifically would be managed from soup to nuts.